Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to create a simple circle fill animation in After Effects. Now for this animation to create, we don't require any effects. We are going to create it by animating the path. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we'll start by creating a new composition. Now we'll add a solid colored background. Now we need to create a shape layer first. So once our shape layer is created, select the pen tool and create a custom path. So don't worry about these strong lines. We can press hold Alt and click on these points to convert these lines into curves. All right. So now that we are done with our shape, what we can do is we can create a circle mask. To do that, select the shape layer, make sure the mask tool is enabled, and then select the ellipse shape. Now press Ctrl Shift and drag the mouse out to create our circle mask. Okay, now that we have created our circle mask, we are going to animate our path. To animate our path, what we are going to do is we are going to go into the contents. Under the shape 1, we have to go inside path 1, and there we can find our path. So this particular path, we can find it here. So we can animate this path because we have a clock before this. If we press on this clock, we can add a keyframe. So make sure your indicator is at the beginning of the timeline. Then click on the clock to add a keyframe. Now move the indicator 15 seconds forward, and then select the pen tool, and you can simply move these points up like so. Now move the indicator 15 seconds forward and move this point up. Adjust the curves to make it look fluid. Again, move the indicator 15 seconds forward and move this side point up like so. Adjust the curves to make it look as fluid and as smooth as possible. You can spend more time if you want to make it look even more fluid. So keep doing this until you completely fill the curve, fill the circle. All right, now this will be our last key. We will fill it out completely like so. Okay guys, now that we have filled the entire mask with our shape, we will just see how this animation plays out. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now to make this look even more smoother, what we can do is select all the keys, press F9 to enable the easy ease. Go into the graph editor, select all these curves, and then move the handle like so. All right, now play out the animation. See if our animation is smoother. Yes, it looks a lot more smoother than before. So guys, this is how you create this animation. It is very simple to make. You can make it in matter of few minutes and use this particular animation in any of your projects. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.